Alright, welcome back to the channel. It is Anise, the Boss Ladypreneur, coming at you with yet another Make Money Online video. And today we will be looking at how to make money creating YouTube videos without showing your face. Today I will be showing you several methods, and I will be showing you how to do it and what you can do and how much money can be made with these methods. So let's get into it. Alright, so here we are, method 1, how to make YouTube videos without showing your face. Here we are in the top trending channel, and top trending is obvious by name, all about trending topics. So enabling you to absolutely cover any top trending information and trending issues out today. So we'll quickly have a look. They've got 5.1 million subscribers, showing us that they've been in the YouTube game for quite some time. But as you look down at the videos, you can see that there are a broad range of videos that they've covered, anything from the janitor who secretly had $8 million saved through to the deepest hole in the world. So as you can see, massive range of information that you could cover, and how you will do that we will look at next. Before we will do that though, let's have a look at their Social Blade and check out how much they are currently making and how you can also make the same money or work your way up to making this sort of money on YouTube. Let's go over to Social Blade. Okay, so here we are going to look at the top trending channel stats in Social Blade, and we'll just scroll down. First of all, I'll just close this banner or this ad that's popped up, and as you can see, top trending has been around since February the 9th, 2014, been placed as an entertainment channel, is made by people in the US, and has absolutely exploded, millions and millions of views, billions of views, 5.15 million subscribers, and 894 videos. So they are uploading regularly, and they are clearly making an income from the videos about top trending topics. So it has a B+. It is making estimated yearly earning 74.9k on the low end and 1.2 million at the top. Estimated monthly earnings between 6.2k and 99.9k, with 24 million views in the last month. So that's amazing. I mean, that channel is more than in the algorithm, blowing up and been there and done that. So a little quick tip would be to copy their most trending videos, but also looking at the last 3 months rather than going right back to their first topics, because those will be dead in the water or done, overdone, and it's best to focus on current topics and most trending current topics. So I'd probably look at the last 3 months. We'll just quickly zoom down and have a look at what they're making as of today, or as of yesterday I should say, and you can see that between $147 and 2.3k is what they've made. You can do the math, and normally $3 to $4 per 1,000 views is quite reasonable for a channel of this nature. So looking at that, you could quickly do the math on it, and Social Blade is always relative within the realistic range in which they're making. So looking at the views as of yesterday, with 586,000 views, with the range of $147 to 2.3k. If you were to do the math, you would divide the 586,000 by 1,000 and then times it by $3 or $4, which would roughly bring you to that 2k mark. So that is the CPM or how much they're getting paid per 1,000 views. So that's the calculation there. What we'll do now is we'll pop on through and I will show you how you can actually make these videos. So there are several options for making these videos, and let's check those out right now. Okay, so here we are in the first method and solution to actually create your top trending videos. Here we have a StoryBlocks website where you can actually buy a plan. So we'll just check it out and we'll have a look at the video plan, and that will show you how cost effective it can be to create videos for yourself. Now, just a little insight is that this is a subscription based platform where you can download everything. Once you pay for your access though, you can download music, you can download story blocks or videos, and also any sound waves that you need. So here we are, it says the unlimited access is $29 a month, HD footage, 4K footage, After Effects templates, music, sound and effects and loops, photos, vectors and illustrations. So this is pretty awesome. This is a really awesome site. If you didn't want to use the audio such as music for music overlay, then you don't need the all access and you could just go with video. So here we are in your options here. There's basic video. I mean, $8.25 a month. It's really a small amount. But if you want the unlimited version, $16.58 a month, and you pay for that either monthly or you can do it as an annual. So that is purely up to you. But here it's absolutely awesome. I'll just quickly show you through. You've got stock footage, animated backgrounds, After Effects templates, and there are thousands and thousands. I'll just scroll through. So see here, you've got business and professional effects and lower thirds, all sorts of stuff here available in the site for you to use. So that is one option. You can get StoryBlocks, and then you can go to Fivver or you can go to Upwork, and you can actually get people to do your voiceovers for you. So if you check out the top trending channels, they always have a voice, and in order to get monetized you need a voice that is human and not robotic. So that is part of the algorithm and the rules of YouTube. So I would just come here and I would check out what you can get as a voiceover. So Fivver is a perfect location for that. It may be $5 per 100 words or $5 per minute. It just depends on the person you come to, but it is a possibility. You also need to check out the price and who you might like to go with. So here, perfect option if you wanted a male voice, which it seems to be really popular on these types of videos that males get utilized, but I'm a female and there's also female voices. If you so want to use a female, they're available too. Here are the high end. There are some real high end people within the voiceover area, but you can definitely find, see, video narration. Here we go. Let's check this out. Apply. So you can filter it down a bit more, go to Fivver, look for your person, get your voiceover. Now that's the second thing you need. The third thing you need is a script. So you can also find script writers here. So we'll put in script writer. And script writing, you can do that here and get someone to do it for you from scratch, or you can go into Google and you can find articles and rewrite them ever so slightly and turn them into your own words. The other option is that you copy the original video, but you change it so that it isn't a copyright and make it your own. So that's another quick method of doing that. So as you can see, the script writers are here. They can be quite expensive, but then they don't have to be either. So you just have to look for the right person to fit your job and go from there. Okay, so going back, let's check out another style of video for you to see how easy it is to make money on YouTube making videos without showing your face. Alright, so here we are in Fivver and we are looking for script writing for video. So we'll just scroll down and you will see the options and the range. So anywhere from $70 through to a pro verified person. As you can see here, a lot more expensive, but find someone that you are wanting to pay, that you like what their work quality might be. If you were to check them out, you can always click through, you can always ask questions, and that is how you can get your script written for your videos. And really simple, Fivver's there, and also check out upwork.com. Right, so here we are in our second method of how to make YouTube videos without showing your face. Now this is an awesome channel called Health Apta. It has 286k subscribers and is obviously on its growth phase and has been for a little while now. But let's check out the types of videos that Health Apta shows and how you can also do this and make money on YouTube. So let's watch this video just for a bit. So as you can see, this is a really simple method of making videos. All you need is stock images. You need clearly a script and what I would call a piece of software that will allow you to do titles and captions. So there are several platforms that allow you to do this. You can even do it on some of your video software, but let's firstly check out an awesome method, and it is called Content Summary, another piece of software and an online platform that allows you to make videos just like this in an absolute cinch. Okay, so here we are in Content Summary, which is an absolute awesome tool for creating your health videos just like Health Apta. And what Content Summary does is it allows you to enter a script, and from there the script is turned into vectors and images as well as video, and your script is run across the images and will create your video for you. So a very awesome platform and software that will create videos just like Health Apta for you. Alternatively, you can utilize a software and do it manually, but this is a fast method where you can create those health videos just like Health Apta in a cinch with a subscription. And let's just quickly check out the pricing for you, which is right here. It will come up so you can have a free 7-day trial, and that 7 days, what I would suggest doing is do all your videos, prepare your script, and actually within that 7-day trial do as many videos as you possibly can. It also offers background music, so no credit card required for that free 7-day trial. Create unlimited videos, keep the videos you make, 7-day trial, risk-free, no Content Summary watermarks. Absolutely awesome. Get all of your video ideas down, create the script, and then pop on into your free trial and get that going. If you would like to check that out and grab that today to start your health-based videos, click in the link in the description below and check that out. So those are the price ranges there, and you will be able to create your health-based videos with content running across all of your subtitles for an absolute steal, $0 for 7 days, and get that health channel going. So Content Samurai, absolutely awesome. If you'd like to see that in action, I have another video about Content Samurai on my channel, and I will link that in the description below, and you will be able to see it in action. So that is Content Samurai. Check it out, and you can create your videos just like Health Apta and make that $500 a day as fast as you can and have some awesome content. Check it out. Let's move on through to the next portion of the video. Okay, so here we are. We've come over to the social blade of Health Apta to see how much money this channel is making and how long they've been operating as a channel on YouTube. So here we are. We have September 26th, 2015. So 5 years in the game. Country of India, educational type, 56 million views, 286k subscribers, doing really well with a grade B, but estimated earnings are 7.4k to 117.7k per year, and in the last 30 days they've had 2.45 million views. So that is a really awesome channel. 613 to 9.8k earned in the last month, and if we scroll on down we can actually see how much they made yesterday, estimated between $24 and $376 and 94k views. So if you roughly did that math, let's just pop up our calculator so that you can see exactly how much that would be. Alright, so here we have the calculator. We have 94,000 views. So let's just go 94,000 and we'll divide that by 1,000. So we get the 1,000 views because you get paid by 1,000 view count, equaling 94. And we'll times that by, let's roughly guesstimate the CPM, $4, and it gives you exactly 376. So that's at the high end, and that is bang on lining up with the CPM that Social Blade shows you. So there you go, that's pretty much it. And on any one given day they are making 300 right through to roughly 400 and closer to $500 a day. So an absolute awesome channel to run, very simple and easy to do. So thanks for stopping by and watching this video on how to make YouTube videos without showing your face and making money online. So again, thank you very much. It was Anise, the Boss Ladypreneur. Please stop by and watch my next video. Like, comment and subscribe so that you will get those notifications so that you can watch those videos. Peace out.